This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cynthia Terrazzano. First floor corner unit with front patio area and back screened porch. This light and bright 2-bed 2-bath condo is tiled throughout, with newer air conditioner installed in 2018. Master bath has oversized shower and walk-in closet. This unit is waiting for your personal touches. Private backyard area with canal behind. Boca Point membership packages are available but not mandatory. Community has own pool area and is pet friendly. For more information, review the details below or contact Cynthia Terrazzano at 561-445-0248.